Hey guys, we're on site of the newest grow op, the one here in Toronto that I showed you guys the other video of. This is Tommy. He's the project manager for the remediation company. I asked Tommy just to take us through the property and show us sort of what they're doing, some of the equipment they're using, what the city wants to see, and hopefully we can learn something. So Tommy, tell us.
The city, the first thing we want to see is safety, the right procedures to do the job.
Okay.
And the right equipment.
So safety is number one, of course.
Yes, of course. Always. This is a compressor. This compressor we're using for do soda blasting.
Okay, so the compressor we use to do all the soda blasting.
Yes.
That's a huge compressor.
Sorry?
That's a huge compressor.
It is. We need a lot of power. This is a soda blast machine.
Okay.
We're using for remove all the mold for the wood. This is a big machine. It's heavy.
So the soda blasting machine, basically, it's a power sander almost.
Yes.
Right. So we can use it on all the wood,
yeah.
And it's quicker than sanding. And it's more efficient.
It's better, yes.
Right.
We put here the soda blast and we use.
And then we just pump it out and kill all the mold off all the wood.
Right. Also, we are using this machine. The name is air scrubber for clean all the air.
Okay. So the air scrubbers. We set up the air scrubbers to filter out all the old air.
Yeah.
And pump in some new air.
Yeah. This is.
So that's a dirty filter right there,
yes.
Right?
We have a new one. We're gonna install to the end of the day. For keep cleaning the area. Also, we have a. This is a fogger we're using for spray disinfect.
Okay.
For kill all the
smell.
Yes.
Yeah, last week when I walked in here, it still smelled like mold, but now the fogger is what does it do? It brings all the mold.
Spray everything, the disinfect, and clean with the HEPA, clean all the air.
Okay. Okay. Beautiful. So
it's kill all the bacteria.
Beautiful. Okay. So you can see there's tons of equipment on site. Tons that we already pulled away, and a lot that is still going to come in. We had a lot of different bins that we used to throw out all the garbage. Obviously, we don't have any electricity because the city doesn't provide it. ESA won't come in. The Electrical Safety Authority won't come in because they're a union, and they won't come in until we get clearance that the air is clean so that they could send in one of their workers. So as you can see, we're using electricity from the good neighbors beside us. They're lending us their electricity so that we could run these machines 24 hours a day. Tommy, can you take us through the inside of the house just to show us sort of what we're finishing?
The main entrance. Now everything is done. You left, you do it.
So what are the boys doing now?
They are doing HEPA back.
So they're HEPA vacuuming everything.
They encapsulate all the doses. Now it's in HEPA bag. The HEPA bag have a bag. So all the bacteria is in a bag and we throw in the bin.
Okay, great. And I showed you guys a lot of mold on the 2x4s in the previous video. As you can see, the soda blast machine, it completely renewed the wood and everything is nice and clean. So how much longer do you think we're going to be on site here, finishing up the job?
We are doing just in the clean step, and couple days we're going to finish.
We're going to be all done?
Yes.
And then you're leaving it up to me to get all the clearances and do the rebuild.
Exactly.
Okay, well thank you for your time, Tommy. You were great, and hopefully the viewers enjoyed.
Okay.
Thank you.